Hi, I'm Daniel from Tech65 and we are taking a first look at the Asus FonePad, a 7-inch Android tablet that's not to be confused with the Asus Pad phone. So the Asus Pad phone was a phone that could convert itself into a tablet by docking into a special tablet docking station. Well, the Asus FonePad is a tablet that can make phone calls. So it's Asus' attempt to make an all-in-one device, just like they have done with all of the other previous devices as well. So if you take a look at the design, it looks very similar to the Google Nexus 7, and there's good reason for that. Asus was the same company which also developed the Google Nexus 7, so a lot of the things are very similar. For example, it's got the same 7-inch display, so the resolution is 1280 by 800 pixels, and this one is an IPS display, so giving you better wider viewing angles, which is great news. And it's running on Android 4.1, which is, just to put things in context, the latest version is running of Android today is 4.2.2. So 7-inch display. It's got a front-facing camera 1.2 megapixels and a rear-facing camera at 3 megapixels at the back right here. And you can see that even the back design is very similar to the Nexus 7. You've got two parts here, and then you've got these buttons here. This is the power button, this is the volume control, micro USB at the bottom, and the headphone jack at the bottom as well. And in terms of the software customizations, you can see that it's very stock. Asus has not made many modifications to the phone, which is a great thing. So apart from some custom widgets, they've also customized the notification panel. So if you used Asus tablets before, you will know that this is a very familiar customization. You've got controls for you to turn on and off devices and all the different modes itself. Another customization they have done is with the panel at the bottom here. You've got this extra button that allows you to launch little widgets. For example, you can launch a calculator and have it hover over any other application that you currently are running. So other specifications, it's got 8 gigabytes of storage internally, and here's another difference between this guy and the Google Nexus 7. This guy actually comes with a micro SD card slot as well. In other words, this device is expandable, so even though it just comes with 8 gigabytes, it is an expandable device. Like I mentioned earlier, this is actually a phone as well, so you can make entire phone calls, and you can see there's a speaker right here, and there is a microphone at the bottom as well. And there are two microphones on this device, allowing it to do noise cancelling. So this is a phone you actually can hold it like this and put it against your face and make phone calls. You can use it as a speakerphone as well, or of course use it with a Bluetooth headset. One more thing that's very interesting about the Asus FonePad that I wanted to mention is the chip that is running it. This is running on an Intel Atom processor, the Z2420, running at 1.2 gigahertz. This is interesting because traditionally most Android tablets or devices are running on ARM-based chips, and this one is the first tablet, at least that I know of, that I'm holding in my hand right now, that is running on an x86 chip, which is the same types of chips that you will find on your notebooks today. So that's something that's very interesting. We don't really know what are the implications. As far as we know, all applications that will run on Android will run on this tablet as well. But the other implications, whether is it better or worse performance, we don't really know. We got to take a device back and review it to find out. So this was the Asus FonePad, a 7-inch Android tablet that's also a 3G phone, and it will be retailing on April 27 at 369 Singapore dollars, and will be available on the 3 service providers in Singapore as well. So we hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope to see you guys soon. Bye.